Welcome to this technical guide on the HP NB13. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, chances are your HP NB13 has developed a cracked screen. This is a common problem, often caused by accidental drops or pressure on the device. If left unrepaired, it can worsen, leading to display issues or even complete screen failure, which can be costly to fix. To get started on the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup tool, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement LCD cover specifically for the HP NB13. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup tool to gently lift the screen from the base of the laptop. Be cautious as you do this. You want to create a small gap without damaging the hinges. Once you have the gap, insert the plastic opening tool to carefully pry the screen open. As you work your way around the edges, be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the screen further. Once the screen is free, locate the component that has failed, which in this case is the LCD cover. You'll find screws securing it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them safe for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently disconnect any cables attached to the LCD cover. Take your time with this step, as rushing could cause damage to the connectors. Now, you can lift the old LCD cover away from the device. Take your new replacement cover and align it carefully, ensuring that all connection points match up. Once in place, reconnect the cables you detached earlier. Secure the new cover with the screws you removed previously, making sure not to over-tighten them as this could crack the new cover. Once everything is in place, gently press the screen back into the base of the laptop until you hear it click into position. Finally, turn on your HP NB13 to confirm that the new screen functions correctly and that there are no remaining issues. To prevent this problem from happening again, consider using a protective case for your laptop and being mindful of where you place it to avoid unnecessary pressure on the screen. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.